Hello guys, this is Marcin again and you are in Krambodance. Today I'm going to talk about a very simple concept which I call the tension. Of course, we understand and we know the tension from our life, and maybe you use it when you dance a lot, but you just don't pay attention to it, so maybe you don't realize that you really use the tension. So tension and release, it's very important and it plays a huge role in our dancing, also in our life. With no tension and release, we have no progress. With no tension between the dancer and the music, there's no interesting combinations. With no tension between the teacher and the students, there's no really interesting classes. With no tension between the parts of your body, there's not really an interesting movement. So to create a great movement, to create an intentional and great interesting movement, you will need some tension. Today I'm going to show you how I use the tension in my body to help me go through all the turns. In your body, find 2 points. Very easy. Point number 1 is your chest. And let's say it's not just a point in your chest, it's like all of the chest rib cage, right? So it's a cage like a chest and goes around, even behind here, okay? So it's quite wide and open, okay? And now try to move, but just a rib cage. If you move your rib cage to the left or to the right, you create the tension between your chest and the hips. Point 1, it's your chest. Point 2, it's your stomach, it's your hips, it's your belly, okay? Remember to get a little bit lower than normal people. And now open your chest, open your arms and try to twist to the right, twist to the left. It's a very simple exercise which I use all the time when I do my warm-ups. And this is actually how you feel that your body is creating tension. So if I twist my chest to the right, I create my tension in the back and in my stomach. Then I release. Then I create the tension when I twist to the left. And then I release. Make sure that you just don't move your arms right and left. You move your chest and rib cage to the right or to the left. Okay, now what happens when you do this? You create some tension. So if you put some tension to your muscles, now you feel it needs to be released, right? So you can release it, just release it. You don't need to create too much tension, so don't create too much tension going right and left, that's too much. Just go right, feel the tension, now release. Feel the release. Now create some more tension, release. Feel it. Each time you move, try to feel what happens in your body. Do you feel the muscle working? If they work, it's good. Okay, now we will use that tension to turn. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, so relax, stay grounded. Okay, open your arms to the right, open your arms to the left. You will feel the tension between your back and with in your hips. So you feel the tension. Now, when you create the turn, you will use the tension. I will ask you to use the tension each time you want to prepare to the turn. Okay, makes sense? So we have preparation with the tension, then release and landing. Okay, so we go basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. Step 1 with the tension, step 3 with the release, step 5, step 7 and 1, 2 and 3. Okay, I just show you that in our body there is tension. And now we can use it to the turns. How I use it. Okay, first off, I will show you the steps. So let's use that tension concept in 2 exercises. Okay, in first exercise, I will show you a very simple step, which is 1, 3, 5, 7. And if you remember, this is a chord beat basic. So it's 1, 3, 5, and 7. So very easy. Step 1, step 3, step 5, step 7. Step 1, 3, 5, 7. Step 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, how we use the tension to turn? Okay, first when I step 1, I open my chest to the right, so I create some tension. When I step 3, I release. Yes, so you need to feel preparation, release. Okay, if you use the release and just follow the release with your body, you will feel that the turn is very easy. Okay, you don't need to force it. Okay, so preparation, release, landing, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, we go. Preparation, release, landing, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5. Again, we go 1, 3, 5, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I create the tension to the right, I release to the left, and I follow that release and land. It was the left turn, so it's 1, left turn, 5, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5 again. So prepare, push, land, 7, and 1, 2, 3. And if you use the sail method, 7 and 1, 2, 3, your landing will be easier. The right turn, 1, 3, 5, 7, right, left, 5, 7. You open your right, 3, turn on 5, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I go still right, left. On my left, on 3, I prepare more. I use the tension. 5, 7. No, it's 1, 3, 5, 7, and basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Again, I go open 1, prepare. Okay, when I prepare, I use more tension. Okay, 5, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5. Again, I open, prepare, 5, 7, basic 1, 2, 3. Take your time, 6, 7. Feel the floor, open, use more tension, then release, land, finish, 2, 3, 5, 6. Again, preparation, more preparation with the tension, push, change, and 1, 2, 3, and one last time. We go 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. So once you get the left turn and the right turn, it's time to combine both turns, okay, and use them both. So I go basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Preparation with the tension, turn on 3, landing, preparation with the tension, turn, 7 landing, and basic 1, 2, 3, 5. It looks like this. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. No, it's 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. Basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So let me explain that. Again, first off, the rhythm. I use 1, 3, 5, 7. As I go, 1, 3, 5, 7. I kind of modulate my body to go into the 1, into the 3, into the 5. I use the tension between my back and my lower body. So I open 1, turn 3, 5, open, land, open, and 1, 2, 3. With the basic, I go 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Okay guys, that was the first part. We just used the 1, 3, 5, 7. So it's quite good to practice that and start with this exercise. Then if you are good in this exercise and you feel that this is correct, this is okay, try the second exercise, which I call the basic right and left turn, because I use the normal basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Actually, I don't call it, I just do it with the normal basic. So, the same principle, I go 1 and 2 and turn, 5 and 6 and 7, 1 and 2 and turn, 5 and 6 and basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So, as you see, I use my basic steps 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and I have to be faster, of course. But this time, I go 1, straight to the preparation, 3, landing, straight to preparation. I use my tension in my back, 7, and basic 1, 2, 3, 5. Usually I do it like this, 1 and 2 and 3, 5 and 6 and 7, 1 and 2 and 3, 5 and 6 and 7, basic 1, 2, 3, 5. Now from this angle you will see, I go 1, prepare, 3, 5, prepare, 7, 1, prepare, 3, 5, prepare, 7, basic 1, 2, 3, 5. If you use the sail method, 1, 2, 3, open, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, again, faster. Two, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3. And to finish, let's do all the two combinations. So first the chord beat tension turns, and then the normal basic tension turns. Okay, let's do it. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Number 2. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Each time I turn, I try to feel something happens in my chest, and I try to use my chest tension to manipulate, to modulate my body movement and go towards the movement, towards the turn. Okay, of course, remember that when you turn, you have to remember about your spotting. So your head stays and then comes first, and then to the other side as well. Okay, so you don't lose your awareness where you are, and so you don't lose your balance. It helps to maintain your balance. Okay guys, that was Marcin from Krambodance. If you like this film, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and help me to grow. If you have any comments, any questions, please write me down. After the last video about the sale method, I received a lot of messages, so thank you guys for that. If you have any questions concerning this video, please let me know. And please try this out at home, in your salsa school, and let me know if you feel any difference. My last tip would be use the tension method in every turn, or try at least pay attention to what happens in your body when you prepare to the turn. Okay? Next video is going to be about the turns and how I use it and how I practice my turns. So you already know the sale method, the tension method, and combined together, it will give you a great tool to speed up your turning process and learning the turns, and it will help you to control your turns a little bit better. Okay guys, thank you for watching. That was Marcin from Krambodance. Enjoy practicing. Bye-bye. Woo!
1,